Want to post multiple photos in one Instagram post? This video shows you how in under 1 minute. An Instagram carousel post is a single post on your feed that contains multiple photos or videos, up to a maximum of 20. Your followers can easily swipe left through all of the content, which makes it perfect for telling a story. To begin, you will first need to open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to start creating a new post. In the gallery, you must tap the special icon with multiple layers to activate the carousel or multiple selection mode. Now you can select up to 10 different photos and videos from your phone's gallery in your desired order. After making your selections, you can tap on Next and apply a single filter to all items or edit each one individually. Finally, write your caption for the entire post, tag people or a location, and then tap Share to publish it. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.